To screen record using the default screen recorder in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to the quick panel by swiping down the top of the screen by using two fingers, and then tap screen recorder button. A pop-up will appear to tell you some information about screen recorder. Here, you can change the sound setting. Select None to just record the screen without the sound, or select Media to record the screen and the internal audio played on your phone, or select Media and Mic to record the screen, the internal audio played on your phone, and also the external audio from your phone microphone. As the example, we will select Media. Here, you can also enable or disable show taps and touches option. If you enable this option, your phone will show your finger taps and touches during recording. To start recording, tap Start Recording. Your phone will start counting down for 3 seconds, or you can tap Skip Countdown to start the recording immediately. During recording, you can see that the screen recorder control panel will be displayed at the top right corner of the screen. This control panel can be moved to another area and can be minimized so it won't disturb you while you are using the phone. The screen recorder control panel contains with some options. First, the pencil icon. You can tap this option to write or draw on your screen during recording. Next, the people icon. You can tap this option to record the script with a video overlay of yourself. Next, the pause or resume icon. You can tap this option to pause or resume your recording. And the last one, the stop button. You can tap this option to stop recording. To quickly watch the recording, go to the notification panel and then tap your screen recording notification. As a note, all recordings will be saved to the screen recording album in your gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.